there! Next story na to karon is Just One by Sam McBratney, illustrated by Ivan Bates. Down in the woods, Little Digger was picking blackberries with the old gray squirrel who looked after him. They picked blackberries along by the river and they picked them in the shady lane. Soon they had a big pile of blackberries. "Is this the biggest pile of blackberries you've ever seen?" said Little Digger to Old and Gray. "Yes, it is," replied Old and Gray. "I'll go and look for something to put them in, or we'll never carry them home." "Will I be in charge of our blackberries while you're away?" asked Digger. "Yes, but don't eat too many, just a few," said Old and Gray. And off he went to find something to put the blackberries in. Mga silag, blackberries. A country mouse ran out of the cornfield at the edge of the woods. She sat down beside Digger and the pile of blackberries. "I'm in charge of all these," said Digger. "They look yummy," said the mouse. "Do you think I could have some?" "Well, I don't eat too many," said Digger. "Just a few." Nangayo, no? Nangayo. So, gihatagan pod. The country mouse ate some of the blackberries and so did Little Digger. Nangaon silang dua. A flat-footed duck waddled up from the river. He looked at Digger and the country mouse and then he pointed his beak at the pile of the blackberries. "Very nice indeed," said the duck. "I'm in charge of them," said Digger. "Do you think I could have some?" asked the duck. "Well, not too many," said Digger. "Just a few." Butan kay si Digger, no? Manghatag siya. The flat-footed duck ate some of the blackberries and so did Digger and the country mouse. So sila natulong nangaon. Bibo na kay sila nangaon, oh. Manghatag ter, manghatag. Then a bouncy baby rabbit came out of the woods. She hopped right around the blackberries and sat down beside Digger and the duck and the country mouse. "Do you think I could taste some of these yummy blackberries?" she said. "Well, not too many," said Digger. "You can just have a few." Gihatagan na pod, no? Ningkaon na pod sila. The bouncy baby rabbit ate some of the blackberries and so did Digger and the duck and the country mouse. So sila nang upat na ngaon. Bibo na kay sila nangaon ter. Then they heard the noise of someone approaching through the woods. Old and Gray was coming back with something to hold the blackberries. Agoy, nibalik na si Old and Gray. Siya'y kuan. Samtang nangaon pa sila. Okay. "I hope there won't be too many to carry in this," he said as he came closer. "No," said Digger, looking at the pile of "Not too many. Gamay na lang ang nahibilin." Kaya nagipangaon naman nila. "Just one? Isa na lang ang nahibilin ter." Oh my God, kaluoy. So, na-shock si Old and Gray kay isa na lang ang nahibilin. Kaya nangaon naman silang upat. Oh my gosh. Ning uli nga na masulubon si Black and Gray. Wala na kakaon si Black and Gray. Sam McBratney is the author of the enormously popular and award-winning picture book Guess How Much I Love You, illustrated by Anita Jerram, as well as the color pillow fight, illustrated by Jill Barton, and the dark at the top of the stairs, illustrated by Ivan Bates. Okay, just one. Little Digger and Old and Gray have picked too many blackberries to carry home. While Old and Gray fetches something to carry them in, Little Digger stays behind. But when some unexpected visitors come by, too many berries soon become very few. No? Wala siya. Maghihatagon si Digger.